I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the TV is ready. Confirm the built-in Samsung Internet or web browser app exists for your model and that you're signed into your Samsung account. Once done, connect to the home Wi-Fi and verify the signal bar. Weak Wi-Fi causes slow pages. From the home screen, press the Smart Hub button and locate the Internet app icon. Open it now so you can load a page and test basic navigation before moving on to advanced controls. Now you'll learn to navigate and perform searches. Use the remote arrows and enter to move focus, or switch to voice or pointer mode for quicker selection. These controls reduce mistakes when selecting links. Enter search terms in the address bar using the on-screen keyboard, or pair a Bluetooth keyboard to speed input. Make sure to open tabs intentionally. Too many slow the TV. And use the browser settings to bookmark pages and finish by handling media and session cleanup. When you visit streaming sites, enable required permissions or pop-ups in the browser settings so video plays smoothly. Use the player's full screen option for a clean view and adjust captions or resolution if the site supports them. This prevents playback errors. When done, clear tabs or sign out to protect accounts. If pages freeze or video won't start, restart the browser first and then power cycle the TV. This resolves most network and cache glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.